A hard night. Talking about the past. Okay, everybody, let's go. 3 years ago, Joe met Susan at a party. She was beautiful, intelligent, and rich. Every day he went to her house. He bought her flowers and chocolates, but she wasn't interested. He gave her expensive gift, but she still wasn't interested. One day, Joe asked Susan to marry him, but she said no. He left her house very upset. He went home and cried. He didn't think he could love another woman. He thought about Susan all the time. 8 months later, he met a woman named Ashley. Joe fell in love immediately. Ashley was everything he wants, and she wants to be with Joe. He knew it was the real thing, and he finally stopped thinking about Susan. One day, Joe and Ashley went out for a drive in their new sport car. Susan saw them from her house. At that moment, Susan fell in love with Joe, but her love for him came too late. Joe didn't love her anymore. And finally, Susan wrote a letter to Joe. She got up very early and started writing in her room. She drank a cup of coffee and thought she really needed to talk to Joe. She needed to him. Joe said that yes, but first he asked his wife if she agreed, and she said yes. Just be very careful when talking to that woman. Both met at disco. A lot of people went to the disco that the music was great, the place was perfect for a date. So they took it, had a few drinks, dancing, and even some karaoke. They remembered when they were young and sang their favorite songs at school. At midnight, Susan hugged Joe and Dad wanted to kiss him, and he told her, "Hey, what's wrong with you? Are you crazy? Forgive me, I thought you still love me. I want to lie with you. I miss you so much. I always think of you. I need us to start over. Yesterday I bought a house and felt alone, Susan said. Forgive me? I don't want you to call me. I don't know you anymore. You have changed. I love my wife. I never thought you could do this. I, I thought about you a lot. I really forgot you. I shouldn't have accepted your invitation. Goodbye, Susan. Tonight I was wrong. Thank you so much. I'll see you later.